This guy just plows into this bank over here. He's gonna get so stuck. He has no plow on there. Sorry, I just ran outside to get my camera. Water all over it. See if I can get a better angle here of this. There we go. Buried himself. I'll have to go pop him out with my truck. $20. Wish somebody else was here to videotape this when I go out and pop him out with my blazer. I got a 30-foot 3-inch snatch strap. He's just digging himself a hole now. He was stupid for pulling in there. That's crazy. The Chevy ain't all that. I'm gonna go around outside. It's too snowy out here. My camera is gonna get all wet. I'm gonna take it back inside. Through my door, my glass here. See, I think he's gonna go shovel them out or something. What were you thinking, dude? Let me go out in my truck and get videos of. There we go. Chevy getting out of Chevy. Okay, I got him out. I gotta come up here and turn around. State trooper stopped. I wish I really had somebody to get this. I mean, I just popped him right out. Snatch trap's down here. I had to stop for a minute because there was a pole over here I didn't want to get him up against. There goes a state trooper up there. He was real nice. I just popped him right out real quick. That was awesome. He wanted to pay me, but I don't want none of his money. Leaking antifreeze or something?
That's what I was wondering.
You might want to look at that. See if he broke a line or something.
Oh yeah, I see a lot of.
This looks like that red stuff up there looks like transmission fluid or something.
Down there.